Welcome to Exampro for Computer Science, the essential exam preparation tool for teachers. Exampro is a question bank comprised entirely of AQA exam questions, all of which have been mapped to the current specifications by subject experts, and new questions are added regularly. Find the questions you want for everything from starters and plenaries to topic tests, homework tasks and revision exercises quickly and easily. You can filter the questions using the search tool. Search options for GCSE are specification, question type, assessment objective, topic, and source. Search options for A-level computer science include specification, question type, preliminary material, topic, and source. Or you can use the quick index search. When you click on a question, the content window will show all of the relevant information for that question. You can find the programming language of your choice in the Resource tab. You can drag and drop questions into any document, or double-click to move them into document 1. Rearrange and delete as you go. Documents can be saved for later use. Export to PDF to create an exam-style version of the test, or to Word for easy editing. You can also export to the cloud to share with colleagues. You can choose what to include in the document: examiner remarks, notes, you can even add a cover page. Add mark schemes to enable teacher, peer or self-assessment. Include answer lines to create an exam-style document, or turn them off for more informal tests and to save on printing. When you save the document, a web link is automatically generated. Use this to share without printing. Project on your whiteboard or email the link to others. Whether exporting or sharing via web link, the same options are available. Simply save and refresh the page to see your changes in the document viewer. Exampro for Computer Science, the essential exam preparation tool for teachers.